Okay, for all the snowboard shippers, here is a snowboard from Virginia going to my address in Florida. And we have 5 pounds here, which is the average snowboard weight. And we have 54 inches in length, 15 inches in width, which is the same as the folded USPS large box. And the height is 1 inch, which is actually smaller than that. It's a ½ inch if you wrap it the way I showed you. And if you go down here, that's $14. Priority mail. That's delivered in 3 days. 3 boxes, put your snowboard in it, ship it, buy it, slap it on there, drop it off at USPS, or I drop mine off at the UPS store because I have a box there and they ship it for me. And if you do it in eBay, you get the same results, $14. 15 inches, 54 inches, 1 inch. Now I have noticed that if you move these things around, for example, change the height and the width, you seem to get different rates, which are not correct. So make sure you put it in this way. 54 is the length. The height is only 1 inch. And select a service. There you go, 14 bucks. As of today, 9/12/2018, I've shipped over 5,000 wakeboards in a past life, so I know a little bit about this. Good luck. I can't help you anymore if you don't understand this. Have a good one.